We were looking for a Mediterranean partner that can potentially change the way we buy cotton and source cotton for the future.
This program of regenerative agriculture started 2 years ago. Marco instructed us on how to implement it in order to obtain the best result. The goal and role of the company's agronomist is to be in daily contact with the farmers and to guide them so that we can achieve the best results possible.
Our idea is really we are looking for some partners. We don't want to have customers, we want partners who can share with us the values which are behind this fantastic project.